Hello, my name is Nelson Abbott. I'm an attorney in Utah, and I'd like to answer a legal question for you. The question is, why does the law make somebody pay money if they injure somebody on accident? After all, it's an accident, right? They didn't intend to do it. They're not a bad person. It was an accident. Well, we've all learned, probably at home, that, when you were a little kid and maybe you hurt your brother or your sister or whatever, your mom might have said to you, well, was it on purpose or was it on accident? And if you did it on purpose, the punishment was much more severe than if it was on an accident. In fact, a lot of times there may have been no punishment at all if it had been on accident. Well, the law doesn't track that. The law is different, and let me explain to you why. Think back to your childhood, one more thing. When you were a kid and you were playing in your yard and you kicked a ball or hit a ball or threw a ball over the fence and it breaks your neighbor's window, what did your parents tell you you were morally required to do? They told you were required to march right over there, knock on your neighbor's door, probably the most terrifying thing any child could imagine, and take responsibility for what you'd done. Offer to pay for that window. Did it matter whether it was an accident or not? No, it did not. You chose to engage in the activity that put your neighbor at risk. Your neighbor did nothing wrong. Well, personal injury and auto accident cases are exactly the same. If you choose to, for example, drive a car and you choose to not pay adequate attention and you accidentally run a stop sign or a red light or speed or pull out in front of somebody or you're changing the radios and you rear end somebody, that's a choice. You've made that choice and you've put somebody else at risk. Now, it doesn't mean you're a bad person. It doesn't mean you're evil and you wanted them to get hurt. It was an accident. But morally and legally, you are required to do something about it. And that's where the basis for the law comes, that we as a society are responsible for injuring others by accident.